right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna do the recap today. There are a couple of things that I did. So first of all, I woke up late, so I'm sorry for all the people. So I completely missed the open, and then I came in the after in during the midday. I came around 7:30 my time, which would be 10:30. And so at this time, most of the momentum on opening range breakouts are already gone, and you have to take some sort of a reversal or other trend trading. As you know, I don't use the pivot points and this Carmilla lines of points that Thor is really using and promoting and teaching in the community. But I decided to add them today because I tried to catch a reversal on AMD. The whole semiconductor sector were selling out. I tried to catch a reversal on AMD and I got stopped out. And then Brian and Thor were talking about the levels of S3 and S4, and then I added them on my chart to see, just to test them and see, wow, what a beautiful bounce from actually S4. So now that I'm looking at it, I try to catch a reversal in the middle of nowhere, and then as you see, I got stopped out here. So I'm actually thinking of adding. I should have added. I don't know why I was resistant too much. So see this bounce in the middle of S3 and S4, we're really out of nowhere, but it came near the S4, bounced first right exactly the S4. I tried to catch a reversal, came, added more, I got stopped out. But again, a bounce from S4, that would have been a really good volume, would have been another reversal. That's the one that actually I caught. So I went long after we saw this volume squeezed, sold some, and this pullback added more again for the next one toward 106, and then I got stopped out on it. So having this level definitely is good, especially after 10:30 when the momentum is almost done and you want to catch these moves on a longer time frame. So I'm going to add that definitely. That would be really, really nice. And Thor in the Education Center has, I think, 3-4 series of this discussion. Is that correct, Norm? And
yeah, I think you're the last person in the community to add camera pivot points.
That's not
so. You're the lone holdout.
I was holding the line and not adapting to the technology and change. But you always have to accept that you're wrong and you added. No, this is awesome. So I definitely added for sure. So the good news is actually Thor is coming for Peak Capital Bootcamp, and he's going to have his series of presentation on this volume price analysis in there. That's also a very good addition. I definitely attend those one. So the only
level 2.
Level 2 as well, definitely. So for me, that was the only trade that I did. AMD, I made a little bit of money. TQQ, I tried to catch this bounce on TQQ, which is the leverage ETF 4Q. There was no S1 or S level nearby, but I just tried to catch this double bottom reversal. It really didn't work for me. First it's got stopped out from this level, then took another one, made some money here, and then I took another one. I got stopped out. Eventually, I lost money on that. So on day trade, I lost, but I had some ARK and TQQ, ARK and TNA on a swings that I sold some. So I'm positive for the day just because of the swings that I have, but definitely day trade, I think I'm down from around this 1400, the difference of these two. Anything from you, Norm?
No, just as you mentioned, Thor doing those, and if Thor's listening, shoot your titles for your presentations over when you get a chance. We'll get them put up on the website so everybody can see what you're going to dive into.
Perfect. Yeah, that's amazing.
This will be the fourth boot camp. We get better and better each time. The feedback's been amazing. So I know I've been asked a lot of questions about it. Once he finishes his recap, you guys can fire any questions off to me you have, and we can go through that.
Yeah, so that's a very important thing about the boot camp that you mentioned is the fourth one, and we are making it better every boot camp. Definitely the first one is not comparable to the third one, but one of the things that you really get from the boot camp is the mentorship and support, but more than anything, material or time that you're getting is the accountability that you're getting during the boot camp. It's like signing up for a gym private session. The accountability or semi-private session that they put on you, the trainer put on you. Like my trainer, twice a week I'm doing training with him, and the only thing that he does really is just pushing me to come to the gym and do all of this weight training, because nobody wants to do weight training. It's just you to talk yourself out of that, every day 100 times. Nobody wants. It's not like running that you listen to music and go and enjoy the view. It's just you have to be in the gym in that environment, just push that. And my trainer, I already told him that you're charging me $50 per session for just giving the same sets that you're giving to me in the last 5 years. So I really don't need your knowledge, just accountability that you're forcing me to do that. So it's pretty much the bootcamp is pretty much like that. So if you really want to join a group of people, a small group of people who are committed to help each other build a trade book, practice a trade book, and analyze their trade book, then that's the way to do it. But if you want to come here to find the magic sauce in one of those presentations, then there is not such a thing actually existed in there. The knowledge that you're getting is not going to make you an amazing trader. It's just helping you to move toward the building this skill. Yeah, so that's it for me. I mean, AMD and TQQ are doing some stuff down there, and yeah, looking forward to seeing tomorrow. Sorry about missing this morning session. And if we appreciate the like or subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave it in the YouTube channel, because the way that YouTube works is the more engagement with the videos, the more higher ranking the video or the channel is getting, and we really appreciate that support if you're enjoying it. So yeah, that was a big thing for me, is adding these levels, and I'd rather not to make my charts really dirty, so I'm probably making the colors a little bit even fader. So you just want to see there is something in there, not really having a very, very crazy chart. Anything from you, Norm?
No.
Perfect.
I think you covered it well.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, and see you all tomorrow morning in the chat.